Welcome to the Calculus, a collection of micro lectures, video lessons, and sample exercises. Let's apply the differentiation rules for trigonometric function in computing the derivative of this given function. We can see here that our function has cosine and sine trigonometric functions, and since we already have the rule for differentiating both of them, we are going to apply that in this given function. Our function here is identified as 5 cosine x minus 4 sine x. Hence, we have a difference of two different functions. Hence, we will be using the rule also of differentiating a sum or difference of functions. Now, let us not forget that for trigonometric functions, okay, for cosine x, its derivative is negative sine x. But for sine x, its derivative is positive cosine x. Please don't be confused with these two, because some are still having problems with the correct derivative of the other. And of course, as mentioned, we are going to solve for the first derivative of this. Now, looking into both of them, they are under, or we are also going to use the idea of constant multiple. So we are going to look into the appropriate constants and separate them. Just like here, 5 times the derivative of cosine x already identified here. Hence, simply substitute using multiplication times sine x. You may use plus here, you may use minus, but let me just use plus to follow the rule. But of course, if you can answer this immediately, why not use what you can? So we have here plus, they have minus 4. Nevertheless, later on, it will just reappear. But the point here is making sure that I'm using the appropriate rule. And since I have here the sine, its first derivative is cosine x. Hence, you have here cosine x. So simplifying all of this, the first derivative or the derivative of the given function would be negative 5 sine x. And again, in this case, you will have minus 4 cosine x. This is the derivative of this given function, considering the ideas of the differentiation rule for cosine and sine, also the use of the differentiation for sum and difference and constant multiple. Thank you very much for watching. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now.